See, I just found this little trick, y'all. All right, so I know you're gonna like this. You know that thing on TikTok where people sell that extra device where you got to put it on the back of your phone, so you can see what the phone look like. Now, guess what? Like I am filming right now on the back of my phone. You can't tell. That's why I probably look crazy trying to look to see which way to look. All right, whatever. If you actually don't want to buy that device and you already got something, you probably already have the iWatch, and if you got the iWatch, you already can see what it look like on the back of your phone without waiting for it. So yeah, that thing may be nice for you, but if you don't really got the money to spend or you don't feel like spending money, so just go ahead, pick up your Apple Watch. Make sure it's updated. I think one of the latest ones. I think this is like only 1 or 2 years old. Watch, and then you just go to the camera, open the camera, and boom, you will see yourself. You can control it. You can control the lighting. You can control the auto, and you can actually stop the video. So I'm doing all this recording here this way. It's really helpful, especially if we don't have somebody to help hold out the camera. Like I don't have a wife that can hold it, telling me I'm doing a good job. But that's fine. I got technology that can replace that. So hey, I hope this works and helped out for you.